Today, I'll show you how to set up CloudFront with S3, ensuring that you can efficiently deliver your content with a reliable and fast content delivery network. Setting up CloudFront with an S3 bucket is a crucial step for improving the performance of your web applications by leveraging Amazon's global network of edge locations. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open the CloudFront console. If you're not very familiar with the AWS Management Console, don't worry. Simply navigate to the AWS homepage, and from there, you can access the CloudFront console. Once you have the console open, you'll see a button labeled Create Distribution. Go ahead and click on that to get started with creating your new CloudFront distribution. Now, you'll be prompted to enter some information about your distribution. Start by looking for the Origin Domain section. Here, you'll find a drop-down box. Click on this box, and you should see a list of your existing S3 buckets. Choose the S3 bucket that contains the content you want to distribute through CloudFront. This step is important because CloudFront will pull content from this S3 bucket to deliver it to your users. Next, we have the Origin Access setting. It's recommended to select Origin Access Control settings to secure the connection between CloudFront and your S3 bucket. This ensures that only CloudFront can access your S3 content directly, providing an additional layer of security. To set this up, click on Create New OAC, which stands for Origin Access Control. You'll be presented with some default settings. These are generally suitable for most use cases, so you can leave them as is and click Create. Moving along, you'll need to set up the Viewer Protocol policy. This is a crucial setting that determines how CloudFront handles HTTP and HTTPS requests. For a secure and modern web application, you should select Redirect HTTP to HTTPS. This will ensure that all requests are automatically redirected to use HTTPS, providing a secure connection for your users. Another important aspect to configure is the default root object. This is typically the entry point to your application or website. In most cases, it would be something like index.html. Type index.html into this field to ensure that users are directed to the correct starting page when they access your CloudFront distribution. Once you've filled in all these details, the final step is to click Create Distribution. CloudFront will take a little time to set everything up, but once it's done, your S3 content will be distributed across Amazon's global network of edge locations, improving load times and reliability for your users. And there you have it. You've successfully set up CloudFront with your S3 bucket, ensuring faster and more secure content delivery. Remember, the key benefits of using CloudFront include reduced latency and improved security, making it an excellent choice for delivering content to a global audience. If you have any questions or run into issues, AWS provides extensive documentation and support to help you along the way. Thanks for watching, and happy cloud computing.